Hello student of class 7. Last time I think we studying the chapter number 5. The chapter number 5 is acid, bases and salts. This is about chapter number 5, acid, bases and salt. So in this video we'll have to go through the acid, bases and salt. The acid, I have already told you about the acid. Now in case of acid, the substance or the acidic substance. What is the acidic substance? Acidic substance is what? The substance which have sour in taste, which have sour taste. The substance which have sour taste, that is called as acidic substance. For example, vinegar. Vinegar have the acetic acid, so in that case the vinegar is an acidic substance. Second one is sulfuric acid, which is present in car battery. So battery having this type of acid. So the substance which have the acid in it, that is called as an acidic substance. And here is the different type of acids are, as we will go through it. Acid are of two types. First one is natural and second one is organic. What is the mean of this particular acid? The natural acid is the acid which is derived from nature. That means plants and animals. The acid which is come from or which is derived from the plants and animals, this one is called as a natural acid. Organic acid are those such type of acid which is formed by the chemical compositions which is in presence of carbon. We will discuss later about the organic acid. First we will have to discuss on the natural acid. What are the natural acids? Natural acid are those acid which come from a nature, that is plant and animal. So we will have to discuss on first the natural acid, in which acid come from acid derived from plants. So here is acid here you can write down the acid and the name of acid or the name of acid and the plants. So here you can write name of the acid as a citric acid, citric acid is come from orange and lemon juice, orange and lemon juices. This is called citric acid. Next one is methanoic acid, that is sting methanoic acid. Methanoic acid come from sting or nettle. Next is the tartaric acid. Tartaric acid is derived from grapes as well as tamarind. Next is the ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid, and ascorbic acid is come from vitamin C. Vitamin C. Ascorbic acid is come from vitamin C, which is present in citrus fruit and vegetable. Citrus. Citrus means the citrate type, that means sour type, citrus fruits and vegetables. Next is next one acid is there, acetic acid. Which come from vinegar, as I told you about, and next one is oxalic acid. And oxalic acid is come from or is derived from the spinach. So this is all about the acid present in plants. So now it is time to go through the next one, the acid which is we can derive from the animals. Acid, name of acid and sources is animals. So what are the name of the animal that can be responsible to give such type of acid? First one is lactic acid. Lactic acid. Second one is methanoic acid. Methanoic acid. And next one is uric acid. So you can see over here, the lactic acid is found in case of lactate. That means this case is caused when you are going to labor vigorously. So in your body there is a lactate formation happen, and there the lactate formation, there is a contribution of lactic acid. So you can see the lactate which is made by the lactic acid. This lactic acid is the sources of lactate. And in case of a milk, there is a lactin present, which is converted into the lactic acid. Lactin converted into lactate, and that one is arrived from the lactic acid. Next one is methanoic acid. Methanoic acid is also called as a formic acid. Why? Because ant is known as formica, and formica is what? Formica is a Latin word that means on, and that gives us a formic, on which the acid which is got from the ant, that is called as the formic acid, from the formica, formic acid. And it is sticks of ant happens, stick of ant. Next one is the oxalic acid, the uric acid, and uric acid is come from the urea which is present in our body in the form of urine, and the urine having some amount of the uric acid. This is all about the resources which is come from the animal and a plant as in the form of acid. So these are the acid which is in term from the plant and animal. The rest of the others you can say the mineral acid as well. So what is the exact meaning, or what is the meaning of the mineral acid? What is the mineral acid? You can see the mineral acid as the name prescribed over here, the mineral, and you know very well how mineral, different type of a mineral by which the acid is prepared, that is called as the mineral acid. What are the different type of a mineral? These minerals are, first of all, you can say the hydrogen, calcium, potassium, nitrogen, sulfur. These are all about the minerals, and these minerals are present in the soil, the topmost layer of the soil, which is very important for nowadays. We are going to use a numerous type of acid which is in our daily life. How it can be expressed? This can be expressed by the different means of explanation. So here hydrogen, nitrogen, it is the common, and the nitrogen as well as the water which get converted firstly and form nitric acid. This nitric acid is the source of minerals, and these minerals form the first ever mineral acid. This mineral acid is known as nitric acid, and this nitric acid is mostly used, you can see, in the golden jewelries and silver jewelries. So you can see the silver and golden jewelries are being cleared by using such type of acid, which is a mineral acid known as a nitric acid. And in the next concern, we will discuss about the another acid which is called as hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. That one is called as HCl. HCl, in which there is a hydrogen present and chlorine. By the mixing of a hydrogen and chlorine, this will form the hydrochloric acid. And this hydrochloric acid you can see in everywhere in your bathroom and your toilet. Bathroom and toilet cleaner are made up by this particular type of acids. That one is called as the hydrochloric acid. And supporting to this, there is another acid which one is used for different type of uses. As you know, these mineral acids are very useful for our day-to-day life. Thank you. If you have any questions, if you have any doubts, so please comment on comment box. We'll meet again to the next video.